Wait, Larry, don't you think it's so weird that I've been doing makeup tutorials on here since 2012?
Yeah, it's a long time.
And here we are, almost 2025, you guys. So this is my last makeup tutorial of 2024. In my 40s era, I started doing my makeup, but then I was like, wait, I wanted to film the next one. So I'm gonna just show you real quickly what I put on. So under my eyes, this has been a new thing, you guys. Okay, when you're in your 40s, you here don't put too much like highlight and blah, blah, blah. But this is amazing for your eyes. This is Eye Duty by First Aid Beauty. I've been using it a lot and it brightens up my eye area instantly, which I love. What do you need, Jax? The kids are home on winter break, so if you hear anything, that's why. So this is, I don't know how to say, is it Say or something? But this I actually got as a little sample, and I put this on obviously this area right here, like where I want, if like the lights or sun hit right there, I like the highlight that it gives, and it doesn't enhance the wrinkles or anything like that. Okay, so I really like this, and if it does enhance the wrinkles, use that Thomas Roth stuff that I use. That's all I have on. Oh, sorry, I lied to you. I also, on my eyebrows, I like to brush it up first with the Benefit I don't know where the thing is on here, but I'll have all of these tagged below. There's a little shopping bag somewhere here or here. You could click that and it will take you to most of the stuff. If I can't find, just go ahead and put it down below for you guys. This I brush up and I leave it on there for a while before I actually fill in the brows. Now we're gonna continue on, and we're gonna put a little bit of a face here so then I could do a TikTok shop video. Go ahead, and since I'm gonna do a video where I'm showing my face, I'm gonna put some full coverage foundation on, and this one is so good. It's pricey, but it's so worth it. This is the Armani foundation. It is so nice. This is Luminous Silk, and my shade, you know what, I got 5, but I feel like I believe it was 5.5. I feel like that one was more my shade. No, it was 4. I don't know, it was something else. So it was a little bit darker. This one's a little lighter, but it's okay. I go over it with some bronzer. So this here is actually a really great foundation, especially if you're using that Thomas Roth. If you guys don't know what this Thomas Roth thing is, I'll put it down below too. But I have a video on it where it's like facelift instantly. I'll also try to put it up here. It will like take these away instantly. It'll just do this. Anything here, it'll go like this. It's freaking amazing. Here. I'm still doing this. One of my favorite brushes to apply my foundation is actually from Laura Geller. Oh my gosh, I love this brush. I have another one I'm gonna open, but anyways, it just helps me blend this a lot easier, and it's just like, it leaves no creasing or anything. You know, like when you use a different brush, you'll sometimes see like the bristle print or whatever it's called on there. This one, it just glides it on so smoothly. For some reason, I started feeling like I gotta rush this, but then I remember it's YouTube. It's not like TikTok or Instagram Reel. And I actually remember YouTube, long videos are okay. Actually, I would get ready watching YouTube videos because they were longer, so I didn't have to worry about like, oh, what else could I find as I was getting ready. I was just fixated on a certain video, like long vlogs or something like that. This is Tint. I love to use this by Benefit. This actually gives me like a really pretty lip shade. Sometimes I just leave this without lip liner, gloss, or anything, and it's so pretty. We'll just add a little on the cheeks for fun before concealer and all that. Oh my gosh, concealer. I remember my very first videos, I would say concealer, something, but look how pretty. If you have not tried Benetint, it's been around for a very long time. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. They have little ones like this, but you're gonna end up wanting the full one. I'm sorry, I keep looking here, but I need to look here. But I'm also looking here because I can see myself what I'm doing. Use this, yeah, I think I will. I do have, okay, no, I said full, so we're gonna go. This one I love to use. Of course, this is Shape Tape. This is in light medium. I love, why does it look discolored? Is it just the mirror? Why does it look like that? Oh, it's fingerprints from my foundation. I was like, oh, what happened to it? Okay, but I'm gonna use, again, the Armani one because this one, I just love it. Again, a little on the pricey side, but so worth it. And I definitely save up for my Armani foundation and concealer because it just, you could see a difference, but the Tarte is like right behind it. So like if I don't have enough or I want to spend my money on something else, I will go with the Tarte one. I'm just using a sponge. Now I'm going in with the bronzer. It's that brand again in medium bronze. If I'm saying it wrong, can someone like put down below in the comments what you, or how you pronounce it. So I get a lot with this. I use different brushes too. There's not a specific brush that I use for this. And I actually use it on my eye like that. And then I'll go back and like kind of blend it more. I just like how it looks on my eye. I was actually watching a TikTok video of this girl, Riley. I don't know if you guys know her. I can't remember her last name, but she did this. And I was like, I'm gonna just try that. But she's like 20 years younger than me. And I tried it and I was like, whoa, I actually like it. Oops, I meant to start down here. Just gonna get this going. So I used to start my bronzer a lot higher, but now I'm noticing I like it better like this. As you age, you start to see what works for you instead of the actual trends. And I've noticed that. And I think that's why when you're older, you hear a lot of people when they're older say they feel more confident. And those are the ones that just venture out and try what works for them instead of what everybody else is doing. I see how putting the bronzer on had saved me from doing eyeshadow. Like if I don't want to do eyeshadow right now, I really don't have to. For blush, I'm going in with a serum blush. This is really good, especially for mature skin. When I hear serum at my age, I'm like, yes, sold. So this is in Practical Pink. It's by Laura Geller. But I just dab, and then I go like this. And then I'm gonna add another blush. I know, it's gonna seem crazy, a lot of blush, but it's just my thing. I just like this one though on the bottom, and then I put the other blush on top because serum. This one, a little goes a long way. This is by Sigma Pore de Rosa. Look at that, it's a cream blush. It is so freaking beautiful. Picks them up and I put it on, look at how pretty that is, so pigmented. I put it on here, warm it up a little bit. Don't blend it all the way in there. Pick it up with my brush. Oh, so pretty. Look at, you could already see. It's one of my favorite cream blushes. But again, I put it right over the serum. And then whatever's left over, I just go like that. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using CoverGirl. This is their nano pencil. You could use the brush if you want. It's very like small and precise, but then I also am gonna go in with Eye Method, which is something I found on TikTok Shop, but it's made life a little easier for me because I don't grow eyebrow hair here. And when I try to do this, it just doesn't work anymore, but you'll see. So all I do for this part is pretty much guide. I guess it doesn't want to be straight right now. Anyways, just a little bit with this, and then I'm going to go in with that one that I told you. But this pretty much is just the guide. I have never been good at eyebrows. If you look at my old videos, you will know. I remember back in the day when we didn't even care about the eyebrows and it made life so much easier. But now eyebrows are obviously a thing. I just won't ever master it. I thought about getting microblade, but I'm kind of nervous. Like, am I going to, like, how does that work? Does microblading hurt, or do you need to like go touch up all the time? Ow, I just hit my elbow. This brush, see, when I'm on camera, I get nervous though, so I feel like I'm not gonna be able to do it. It just kind of helps make fake hair. I slowly bring it up. Like this side, I don't really need to bring it up that much. The other side is where it's gonna be just that because I don't have any hair. And also on the other end, it does have a single one. So like if you see like a certain piece that needs to be filled in. Was there mail? No. Okay, it literally says it was shipped. I mean, delivered. Now I'm moving on to my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Sometimes I get the eye area, sometimes I don't. I think I'm going to do it today, and you guys tell me if I should continue it. Okay. So I usually do this. What do you think? Yeah? Should I continue doing it? I don't know. I don't know if I should just, from now on, just leave it like this. Right here, because it's always so shiny right here. And then my chin. This side has no powder, this side does. Do you guys even see a difference? Or in person, I could see it. Okay, so I'm doing the other side. Eyeliner, I just grab an angle brush and then any kind of like dark brown eyeshadow. And then all I do is just, like seriously, I don't even go through the whole lid. I just go right here on the outer part. Just like that. Like it doesn't really do much on camera, but in person you can see it. And then I just kind of bring it out just a little bit. What are you doing, Jax?
Nothing.
I bring a little right here. So like that. See? Favorite mascara. This is Tartelет's tubing mascara. If you're not familiar with the tubing thing, look it up or just hear me out real fast. They're these little tubes that just cover up your lashes, and it is the coolest thing ever. When you take off your makeup, you don't have to worry about black smearing all over or brown, because I have a brown one too. You could just go like this and it comes off. But you got to be gentle, like don't pull it or you're pulling your whole eyelash, but it is amazing. I'm actually almost out of this. I have a brown one though. I'll use the brown one before I purchase another one. But look at this. Amazing. No falsies here. This is just the tubing mascara doing its thing. And I do put some on the bottom. I was checking to see if there's any on there because like I said, I'm running low. So I first swipe like this and then I go like that. And that was without curling my lashes or anything. It just instantly just did its thing. My gloss, like I said, I was gonna leave this on. I just like it. I'm not gonna do any lip liner today, but I am gonna go in with my favorite gloss by CoverGirl. It's yummy, and this one is Coconuts About You. Look at that gloss. So that's it for my makeup. Now I just gotta do my hair, but I'm not gonna do that for this video because it's gonna be a super long video already. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And again, I'll try to have everything in the little shopping bag right here or a link down below. If I forget, please just comment and I will find it for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.